Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. In this video, I will walk through how to integrate VS Code with a Kubernetes cluster running on a virtual machine. This setup is super useful for developers who wants to interact with their cluster directly from VS Code. So the basic prerequisite for this, a virtual machine running Kubernetes using a bridge network, so it's reachable from my local machine. Second, SSH enabled on the VM for remote access. Third, a VS Code on my local machine with remote SSH and Kubernetes extension installed. So let's see the demo how we can proceed. So first, if you go to the VS Code and search for the extension remote SSH. So remote SSH. So click this and install this extension. So I have already installed this extension. Now after installing this extension, we'll go to the terminal and click on new terminal, and here you can give the command ssh dash key gen dot exe. So this will create a private key and a public key. So press enter. So keep this all default. So I've already created, I will override this. Ssh key gen. Yes, keep all these things default. Now it's created. You can see public and private key rsa.pub. So here you can see if you go to the left side of the bottom, this one, open a remote window. If we click this, see here come the option connect to host. So if we go to the configure SSH host and select this SSH/config file. So here you can see I've already configured. So I will show you how to do. Now if we go here and show more option, git bash here and cd change the directory, and if you see ls dash al dash ssh slash command mistake dash. So here you can see the public and private key that we have created. So next step is I need to copy this public key to my virtual machine. So command for this ssh dash copy dash id, and if the name of the cluster like yesterday which I have installed. So Kubernetes at the rate and give the IP of the VM 192.168.0.107. Now press enter. So it will ask for password. Let's try. It's already installed in my case. So here you can see one key is added. So in your case, it will ask for password and you can log in. Control C. Now if we want to see the configuration file with the command vi -ssh/config. Here you can see. So you can change this according to your host name, host and username. I have Kubernetes and forward agent. It should be yes. Now save this file. So if we go to the VS Code and if we go to this left side bottom and click this open a remote window and go to the connect to host, and here you can see my IP is coming. So if we click this, so it will open the remote SSH. It will ask for password mailbox. Now here you can see it got connected this. So if you want to see, first go to the terminal. Here you can see I have logged in and sudo -i devops. And if you want to check the ports, you ctl get POTS A. So here you can see I have connected and it's showing the ports kubectl get nodes. So it's single node server. So in this way you can integrate VS Code with Kubernetes cluster. So that's all from this video. See you in the next.